Hi, I'm Terry Sweeney, ECM Team Lead and Senior Implementation Specialist.
I'm Kyle Pace, I'm the Implementation Manager here at Impact Networking. Terry and I are going to answer some questions today about business app implementations.
All right, Kyle, can you tell us about the methodology you use to apply to business app implementation projects?
Yeah, so for our team, we use the waterfall method, and that is a very linear method where you go with one task after another, and the deliverable for the client is going to be at the end of the project. It makes it a little bit easier for the client and for us, so we can kind of do a streamlined process of what is going to be delivered. There's other methodologies like Agile and Scrum that some of our other divisions use, and that's more focused around getting deliverables in smaller chunks throughout the process quicker. So each one of them have benefits, but for what we do with the ECM side, that waterfall method really works out well for us.
Awesome.
So Terry, how involved are customers in business app implementation projects?
Well, since we are delivering our projects to the customers are one of the more involved aspects of the things that we do. Providing the customer with the app at the end of this, so we need them to be involved pretty much at every step of the way. From the beginning to the end of the process. We take their feedback very seriously, so we are in constant communication with them.
Yeah, I agree with that. And with the customer, with our projects, we'll end up getting some information of what the project is, about 80%, and then we have to work with the customer the entire time to get a little bit more information from them as the time goes on. So that communication with them is really key.
Kyle, what type of relationship does your team have with sales experts?
Our relationship is great. We are highly supported by them, and we highly support them at the same time. They obviously drive the business, and they will actually engage with us, and we will work with them to go, oh, this is what you should be leaning towards. This would be a better solution for the customer themselves. And we'll help them, and they'll help us throughout the way. And then once that deal is actually sold, they will be the ones that transfer all of their knowledge to us. So they know the customer more than we do at this point. And that first meeting that we have with the customer, they're on that meeting with us as well, so that we can have a really nice handoff from the sales side to the post-sales side. So every day we're talking with our sales reps. How regularly do business app implementation specialists work with their customers?
We work with them constantly. At the beginning of the project, we do a lot of investigation and a bunch of research about what their actual process is, the one that we're going to take over and use our expertise to make changes to. So a lot up front to get as much background information as we can. But throughout the project, we are often working with customers on a day-to-day basis, making changes as needed as requested from them, or reaching out to them with other changes that we think that we can make. Yeah, just from beginning to end of the process, we are working with the customers. Kyle, what do you think the most important activities are when onboarding a client?
So onboarding can be tricky. You're working with a customer who's never done this process before, and now you're working with change management. You're trying to change how this customer is doing their work today. So with the onboarding, one key point is you have to have a champion. You have to have somebody in the department that really can own the product that you've just built for them. So they have to be trained fully, they have to understand it fully, they have to be the one that is the go-to person in that company that everybody can lean on. That's not you. We build this out, but it is for the customer in the end day. So they need to be the ones that understand it and are the ones that want this product. So if you get that one person in each department that you can lean on, they're going to go out and then train their staff with your help, of course, but they're going to go be that person that everybody can come back to, and if they have questions or if they have improvements that they want, they can go through those people, and it really helps get those clients into the product by the end of the day.
Yeah, I agree. Once you get someone on their team excited about the product, man, it makes things so much easier for us, and it makes us more excited as well. All right, well, thanks, Kyle. That was really informative.
Yeah, I really appreciate the time today. I think we got a lot of good information out of that session.
Absolutely.
Well, this has been Ask Impact.